Starring Entertainment.
The right person for you will not tell you who to be, but they will inspire you to make yourself better and be a better person. Hashtag Megan Ryan.
Wow. Okay, thank you. Good luck and congrats.
Grabe naman ang tanong ni Ate Rose.
Ang ganda rin sa ceremony yan, ha?
Totoo.
Pang it's you.
We have a winner. Yes.
Siyempre, yung papatalo ang from Marites University, we go to Marisol Academy.
Wow!
Siyempre, di ba yung mga... Asan na ba si ano?
Andito si Ate
Mildred Baco.
Kuya Romel Placente, of course.
And Mildred Baco.
Ayun, Kuya Romel Placente, katabi ni Tita Mel.
Ayan, si Romel, di ba naman umupulo sa kinupuan ni Rian? So ngayon,
nag-live na dyan si Kuya Romel kanina.
Hi, Rian. Hindi ka pa napapakot, tuloy-tuloy yata yung movies na ginagawa mo. From one movie to another. May time ka pa ba kay Sam?
Wow! Diretso?
Ito, meron pa kayo ito. Nature Panes dito, di ba?
Anong Churbanes, Kuya?
Hindi na yun. Merong relaxing. At hindi pa kayo, kung meron naman, hindi pa kayo nagkakailangan for seven to work together.
Careful lang.
Siyempre mo bilang naman lapsi, siyempre. Yan. Kung meron man, hindi pa kayo nagkakailangan since first time nyo na partner.
Siyempre it's a love story, so talagang dapat natin ipakita kung ano yung, kung paano talaga nagka-inlaban si Megan Ryan. And of course, it's not meant to be. Nagkailangan, well, honestly, love scenes are some of the most awkward scenes that you can possibly do. I get asked a lot kung nagselos ba si ganito, parang but sa totoo lang, ang hirap din talaga na tanggalin sa isip mo na napakadaming taong nanonood. And so, it's really up to the two of you to trust each other and try your best to make each other feel comfortable. Kasi nga, there are so many factors why you should be uncomfortable. Conscious ka sa katawan mo, conscious ka kasi nandito, katabing-katabi lang ang face mo yung cameraman, di ba? So, may mga ganon. But if ever may ilang factor naman, it's not because of JC. Definitely was a gentleman the whole time, making me feel as comfortable as possible. But you can't be fully comfortable in a love scene. It's impossible. Hindi din kaya.
Yeah, tama naman po. Uncomfortable naman talaga. Kasi me, personally, I take it like a choreography. I really just want to set it like it's happening when it's really not. So, as much as possible, talagang stick lang ako sa choreography. So, wala naman talaga usually, pag ganun, mahirap na yan eh. You're thinking about a lot of things in just one scene. So, as much as possible, mas technical siya. So, and you have to respect your co-actors and everybody around. So, it's a multitasking work. So, mahirap, uncomfortable mo.
Thank you, Megan Ryan.
Ganun lang po.
Ganun lang. Tayo ibalik yung mic ko. Actually, Jai, kasama po namin dito si Cedric Juan.
Yes.
At saka si Steven Bansil. Si Cedric po, ito yung nung time na to, hindi pa siya nanalo ng Best Actor sa election.
Wow.
Kasi kung nanalo na siya, nasa kanya yung role na to. Diyan
Siyempre naman.
Siya na si Meg at si Raya.
Multiverse, gano'n. Yes. Kuya Jem, yes?
Of course, ito pa ang isang taga-Marisol Academy na lagi napapakay kapag ka.
Yeah.
Mildred pa ako.
Yes, to Direk. Direk, bakit natagalan bago nyo ay palabas ito?
Well, yung actually sobrang naging challenge kasi sa akin yung timing because a lot of our movies right now, diba, local films, halos ang daming mga balita or nakikita naman natin, it's not making good sa theaters, diba? So I'm looking for proper timing din for the film. At the same time, like I shared a while ago, sobra akong emotional kasi talagang kinumpleto ko po yung gusto kong makuha sa requirements ko, sa vision ko, sa film. So, nandito ang, syempre sa editing, sa post, and everything that I have to consider when it comes to MTRCB, the music, everything na gusto kong makuha ng tama at naaayon naman sa plano ko na i-launch yung film. Hindi naman siya ganun katagal, it's just that, diba, in all filmmaking na planning, ko-consider mo yung proper timing. So I guess this is the timing that I need, and sana nga po, tama yung timing namin. At hopefully, magkaroon ng magandang ma-appreciate ng viewers natin yung mensahe na gusto namin i-share sa inyo lahat.
Thank you, Direk. To JC and Rian, ang dami na rin kasi mga ginawang movies na love stories, di ba? So what made you decide to accept this film? Ano yung kaibahan niya sa ibang love stories or other films na nagawa niyo na?
Ako? First, bago sa akin itong script na ito, na-enjoy ko siya. At habang binabasa ko siya, nararamdaman ko na yung kilig and everything. And I really wanted to work with Direk Catherine Gabriel. And sinabi din sa akin na si Rian yung kasama. Sabi ko, oy, this is gonna be a totally different flavor. Kahit nung pinapanood ko yung trailer, sabi ko, uy, parang, kasi I like to watch myself as a third person. Na parang interesting yung flavor na to, na magkasama silang dalawa na, ano kayang maibibigay na feeling, and usually, pag nanonood ko yung love story, it's a different string na napupul sa'yo, di ba? It's a different kind of love. So, I think yun yung nabigay namin dito. So, and working with them, laging bago yung nabibigay ko eh. It's a different well, hindi naman sobrang bago sa akin yung character na nag-hit pa lang ng puberty yung character ko dito as 35 years old. So, ang pinaka nagustuhan ko is I wanted to support the complex character of Rhea. Kasi ang hirap nung role. At natuwa ako na ang sarap supportahan nito. At nagtagumpay siya doon sa paggawa nito. At totoo naman na, I know, paulit-ulit yung word na ibang Rhea. At ngayon ko lang siya napanood na gano'n. So ako, nag-enjoy ako.
Ako naman, nag-start siya from the script. Nagustuhan ko yung script. I really love, siguro yun yung weakness ko, I really love mga complex characters. Especially yung mga may flaws talaga. Kasi I like trying to make sense of people, I guess. Tapos, si Meg kasi is bata pa lang siya, alcoholic na siya. And then, ayun, very free, parang very open. It's an opposites attract kind of love story. And then, napanood ko din kasi yung ginawa ni Direk na yung movie ni Barbie and David. And I found it not only nakakakilig and entertaining, but also just visually beautiful. And sabi ko, gusto ko maging part ng ganyang klaseng movie. And syempre, I wanted to work with JC. So, ayun, those were the things na kung bakit gusto kong gawin yung movie. And I feel like yung mga love stories, there are so many different kinds of love stories kasi. And I felt like this one needed to be told kasi parang this is how I view love also eh, na lahat tayo may mga flaws, may pinagdadaanan tayong sariling journey with our mental health and with yung mga personal natin na trauma sa buhay. And it's when you find a partner who can understand that about you and not expect perfection. Parang, ayun, parang kaya I felt na this is a love story that needs to be watched and told.
Thank you.
Thank you.